Happy Wednesday. Thanks for clicking to WYTV.com as we head into our Thursday. A cold front moving through the valley overnight will set us up for both colder temperatures and some snow showers. We'll first start off with a mix of a little rain and snow. By morning, this next trough of colder air pivots through, giving us scattered snow around during the day. So let's walk through Futurecast and we'll take a look at the timing. By the late evening here on our Wednesday, a chance there for a mix of rain and snow. Most of this will come in the form of snow. Notice the temps. They're still mostly upper 30s at that point. So that means mainly rain showers. If you see some snowflakes, it won't cause you any problems. But as we come up on Thursday morning, we're down toward the lower 30s. Still could be some mixing early in the day, but I do expect precipitation pretty early on to change over to mainly snow. Now, temps around the freezing mark will help out with road conditions, but we do have the chance for a little accumulation here as we walk through our Thursday. We'll keep that scattered snow around during the afternoon and into the evening. Notice the temps starting to fall into the 20s. That would enhance our chances at seeing a little snow sticking on some untreated surfaces, as most of our surfaces now, they've been pretty heavily treated, but anywhere where we were able to wash a little of that salt off, perhaps getting a little snow sticking to the roads. And as we continue to drop in our temps further into Thursday evening, that only increases that chance for a few snowy roads out there. So this is not going to add up to a whole lot here, but do be mindful. You could see a couple of slick spots out there. By Thursday night, that snow starts to fizzle out, and then we come up on Friday morning when our next storm system will move into the region here. It does look like a dry start to the day, but as we come up just past sunrise, we'll start looking for another batch of some snow moving in and temperatures warming through the day. So while this may begin as all snow, we will see temps coming up into the 30s here, changing our precipitation over to, once again, that mix of rain and snow before going over to what I expect to be all rain as we come up on mid to late afternoon and into the evening here. So we'll be watching for some wet weather around to end our work week, and then we go back to the colder weather for the weekend. That's the storm system that's really going to drop our temps Saturday into Sunday. So for Thursday, again, that accumulation potential, I don't expect a whole lot of snow. Most of us would be looking at a dusting up to an inch, an isolated pocket flirting with 1.5 inches, not out of the question here. But again, temperatures have been pretty warm the last few days, so that is going to try and help us out, or I should say over the last 24 hours they've been warm. That's going to try and help us out with keeping that snow off the roads, but not out of the question to see a little snow sticking to them, especially as we come up on the late afternoon and evening on our Thursday. So 30 degrees the low. That chance there for that mix of rain and snow. The temps, well, they hover in the low 30s through much of the day tomorrow as we go over to mainly snow showers and keep those scattered snow showers and flurries around for the afternoon and early evening. Friday, we start off with some snow that goes over to a mix, turning to rain showers. Highs jump back toward the 40s, so it does look like another milder day, but this time it'll be a little soggier for us. Now, the cold front that's going to come with this storm system Friday night will have falling temperatures into early Saturday morning. The high on Saturday will be the temperature when you wake up. I expect it to continue to drop out of the 30s and into the 20s pretty early on as we see that chance for snow showers lingering and a few peaks of sun possible. Now, we're going to fall toward the single digits here Saturday night, so a cold Sunday morning and staying pretty cold in the afternoon. A couple of flurries not out of the question there with a high around 20, back to single digits Sunday night. 20 again on Monday for Valentine's Day. It was looking like a chance for some snow. The latest data coming in hinting at or trying to take that storm system out of the equation for us. However, we'll keep an eye on that, but currently it does look cold for Valentine's Day before we start warming up into next week. In fact, take a look at that high next Wednesday. Looks like a breezy day with a little sun and high temperatures flirting with 50 degrees into the middle of next week.